My name is Dr. Linda Stein Gold, and I'm the Director of Dermatology Clinical Research at Henry Ford Health System in Detroit, Michigan, in the United States. The EADV has been a very busy conference, a lot of things going on. I presented several different subjects. There were a few posters. One looked at upadacitinib in patients with moderate to severe atopic dermatitis, and we asked the question, what about those patients? What are the risks, the true risks of patients who are on oral contraceptives, looking at the major adverse cardiovascular events and malignancy? And what we found was for patients who were younger and even middle-aged adults, the risk really seems to be quite minimal, even using this drug over time. And we have safety data that's coming out for 7 years in atopic dermatitis, and we're still not seeing a true safety signal. So that's good news. I spoke a lot about a new drug that was recently FDA approved in the United States that's a pan-JAK inhibitor. It's a topical cream, and it just got FDA approved for all different types of chronic hand eczema. And that means atopic chronic hand eczema, irritants, allergic. And this drug used twice daily showed it was able to get patients under control and keep them under control for the long term. And it had a very good tolerability and safety outcome. And then finally, I talked about a new oral medication that's in studies for psoriasis. This is an oral peptide, and it actually targets the IL-23 receptor and prevents the downstream signaling of IL-23. And I presented a study where we looked at this drug in direct comparison to deucravacitinib, which is a TYK2 inhibitor, and placebo. And this drug actually showed better efficacy than not only the placebo, but also deucravacitinib, even in reaching those high bars, like getting patients completely clear of their psoriasis. In fact, the new oral peptide had double the efficacy of deucravacitinib in terms of getting these patients to clear, almost clear. And in terms of safety, it had a safety profile that was similar to the placebo. So bottom line is there's so much going on. It's been so exciting to participate, and I'm looking forward to many more congresses.